Hey there, fellow content creators and students. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something super useful: how to do a block quote in Google Docs for 2025. If you're writing essays, reports, or any document that needs to cite sources properly, block quotes are a game changer for making your text stand out and look professional. In just a couple of minutes, I'll walk you through the steps so you can do this yourself without any hassle. First things first, make sure you have Google Docs open. If you don't have a document ready, go ahead and create a new one by heading to docs.google.com and starting fresh. Now, let's get to the fun part. Select the text you want to turn into a block quote. This could be a quote from a book, an article, or any passage you need to highlight. Once selected, go up to the menu bar and click on Format. From the drop-down, choose Align and Indent, and then select Indentation Options. In the Indentation Options window, you'll see settings for left, right, and special indents. For a standard block quote, set the left indent to about 0.5 inches. This is the typical style for APA or MLA formats. You can adjust this based on your needs, but remember, consistency is key. Hit Apply to see your text shift to the right, creating that indented block effect. Pro tip: to make it even clearer, you might want to italicize the text or change the font style under the Format menu. This isn't mandatory, but it helps visually separate the quote from your own writing. One more thing: always double-check your document's style guide. Google Docs might not have a one-click block quote button, but this method works perfectly for 2025's updated interface. If you're collaborating, share your doc and let others see your neat formatting. There you have it. That's how you easily add a block quote in Google Docs. It's straightforward, right? Give it a try on your next project, and you'll save so much time. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.